Okay, so if you're at this step, you want to go from motor assembly step 3, connect the motors. You want to go from this left image to this right image. And I'm going to demonstrate how you essentially connect the motors to the correct uh, hole. You'll notice that I don't have the folders on the left, and that is because the way I'm doing this is I take a large finished the finished thing I've already made, and then I just delete everything for this step. So the folders are not there. But the way we're gonna use Fastmates again to connect the motor to the specific hole that we want. And essentially we want the axles of each of these motors to be in this large circle. It doesn't look like a circle, but it is in the shape of a circle. We want it in this hole right here, this large hole here. And we want this motor here to be right here. We want this motor on this hole right here. I'll show you, should be right here. And then the last motor should be right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take Fascinate, like I said, and so we can connect this hole on the motor to this hole right here. And the way we're going to do that is, this probably, yeah, we'll use this example. I'll show another example because it might be a little familiar. So we're going to, we're going to select Facetate, and then we're going to select this hole right here. So just the outline of it, and then we're going to select this hole right here. So sometimes you'll pretty easily be able to select this, the outermost dot. You see the 3 white dots. Well, there's only 2, but the third one has been covered over. And what you want to do is, if you can't get this outer hole easily, and you're only able to get the middle hole, you can again hit Shift, and now it's really easily. I can move my mouse everywhere, and then I can still really easily, and it'll still only select between these 3. And so make sure you're holding Shift and then left click, and then the motor should be attached in the correct spot. I'll do another demonstration of this, make it a little more clear. So we want to connect this hole right here to this hole right here. So we move this motor over just a little bit. I'll move the motor down a little bit too, make it a little easier to see. There we go. Move it there. That just a bit. So yeah, this hole should go here. And so we're going to take a Fascinate again. And this time it's still pretty easy. But yeah, if it's giving you, like, if you're trying to select this right here and all it's giving you is like one of these parts on the circle itself, like I said, hold Shift when you see this kind of, or the 3 dots inside of this hole, and then now you can very easily select this right here. And again, you want to select this hole here, so you have the face of this motor, right? You want to select this hole specifically. There you go. So you want to repeat this exact same thing for the motor here, for the motor here.